questions, 100 marks, UGC NET paper 1. Now paper 1 is one of the most crucial papers because we have seen students who are performing exceptionally well in their subject paper, who have been respective toppers of their universities, are unable to qualify NET examination because of paper 1. So don't do this mistake, don't take paper 1 lightly. Now paper 1, if you want to score good marks, scoring 100, that means you are aiming to do all questions correct, right? So you have to have a diversified knowledge. Now also understand, sometimes you are misguided because of the fact that why should I read teaching, why should I read research and so on. But if you want to pursue your PhD, your research, then these are some things that you must would have to do. So if you are aiming and targeting for UGC NET, either you would be going for teaching or research, and for either cases you would be having a basic coursework that you would have to cover, and that is what paper 1 inclines for. So Indian philosophy, the concepts of logic, very important, very interesting. So if you face problems and issues with that, I would definitely recommend you can refer the lectures that we have created specifically for logic, which would bring you to the very basic and fundamental understanding. And once you have your concepts clear, there is no reason you won't be able to answer any kind of fallacy question which is asked in paper 1. Be it the question of the level of the core subject of philosophy, you should be able to answer it with what concepts we have explained in the lectures. So don't miss the lecture, cover that very carefully. Wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.